Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is your quote for today. As I look back on my life, I realised that every time I thought I was being rejected from something good, I was actually being redirected to something better. The thought and idea of rejection is not a welcome one for anyone out there. Opportunities you've missed or just didn't work out for you. And that's even despite the amount of work you may have put into each thing. Looking at rejection as a new pathway opening is the perfect way for anyone. Yes, so it's not a great feeling at the start, but it will guide you on another pathway, possibly towards something else even bigger than what you're going to miss out on. So, keep going, don't worry about rejection, it just leads you onto bigger things.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.